Hi, welcome back to another One Chart lesson. Today we're doing Never Tear Us Apart, great Australian song by INXS. It's a really easy song for guitar. It's got simple open chord shapes and there's a way you can actually play the little saxophone solo in the middle of the song on guitar as well. So I'm going to show you all of that. Download your chart, let's get started. The chords are really simple. They are A minor, this is for the intro, to F, to D minor, and back to F. Now that's the intro, that's also the verse. Don't ask me, and our strumming, we can do strumming in all kinds of ways for this song because it's quite open, and we can strum. It's in 12/8 feel, so you've got this kind of 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 for a bar. So you can strum them all as downstrokes, and it sounds pretty nice. And I'm muting the strings just a little bit with the palm of my hand to give that nice kind of solid sound to it. But you can also do you can really strum anything you like here. What's important is that you get that triplet feel in your rhythm, right? You could finger pick it, for example. You could go just going D, G, B, E strings back down through B and G. D, G, B, E, B, G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Lends it really well because all of your bass notes, except for the A minor, of course, are on the D string. So you've got a really nice, tight, simple finger picking pattern there. But whatever you choose to do for this song is going to sound good as long as you stay in time and keep that nice sort of triplet feel throughout your rhythm. I like to sort of strum it a little bit slightly in a rock way, in a subdued rock way, by muffling the strings and strumming those 12th notes as down strums. So that's the intro. A minor, F, D minor, F, and then the verse is the same. Don't ask me what you know is true. I don't have to tell you I love your precious heart. Then it goes to the chorus. C to F. I was standing, you were there. Two worlds collided. Then to G. Could never tear us apart. Stop on the first beat of the next bar, and then on the last 3 12th notes, it's mapped out really clearly on your chart. What I've done is I've put every single little 12th note rest in that bar. So you can see you stop on the first note in the bar on the G chord, then you count through, and on the last 3 notes of that bar, the last 3 beats of that bar, play A, C, 3rd fret A string, open D, and land on the A minor and strum it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then do those notes again, and then we're back in. For 1,000 years, but if I hurt you, I'd make wine from your tears. Double verse, I told you, if we could fly, 'cause we all have wings, but some of us don't know why. Back to the chorus. What you can do in the chorus, if you like, is when you're going from C to F, you can play a normal open F chord there, you can play a bar chord F there. What I think sounds good is playing a C and then putting a C bass note underneath your F chord there, so an F/C if you like. Play it there, because that gives you this constant C note underneath both of those chords all throughout the chorus. So I was standing, you were there, 2 worlds collided. down to the G, but the timing of the is the same. Then we get to the middle section, which is a saxophone solo. Quite simple, but you can actually play it on guitar. So over the chords, A minor and F, right? So we start that open E string, that's the first note of your saxophone solo. So how you can play that, accent the open E string, and you can keep your bass note going from the chord, or the rest of the chord going if you like, but follow these melody notes through underneath the chords and it'll sound good. So you've got to play this open E followed by the E flat, which is a 4th fret B string, then come down to an F, I think it's an F6, but an F with the pinky on your 3rd fret B string, because that's your next melody note. So you go, lift it straight off to the 1st fret, then play the G string, 2nd fret, lift it off, go back to the 2nd fret. So it sounds like this. Then we go to a D, but start with a D sus4, lift off, and play the open E string followed by 3rd fret B string and then open E string again. So back to the 3rd fret B string and then land on an F. Go, melody note goes 1st fret B string, 3rd fret, open E string, 1st fret E string, and then it ends on that, but you are landing on the C. I was standing. Right, so I'll play that little kind of melody section all the way through for you. It solos out, it choruses out and repeats until the end. Great song. It's very simple to play, but thank you for watching. Let me know if you've got any issues with this song, if you've got any questions, any tips on how you would play the rhythm and how you would manage to do that solo section in the middle. I'm really keen to hear how other people would approach that, and I hope this has been helpful to you. Thanks again for watching. See you here again soon.